Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to generate unique or a pin number using two functions, that is the char function and the Randbetween function. So the char function is a specified code in Microsoft Excel. So for this character specified by the computer. So these are numbers between 1 to 255. So each character has a specified number. So for example, number like 65 is the character A. So that way. So again, if we input here is equal to the char function in bracket, so 66, so we get a B. So in this generation of unique number, I will use the uppercase letters only. So these uppercase letters, they have numbers between 65 to 90. So for example, if I put here 65, 66, maybe 67, so these numbers there, so then I input is equal to char function. So you select this character here, so then you have A. So if you double click here, you have the letters A to K for numbers 65 to 75. Now for Randbetween function, this function returns random numbers between two numbers you have specified. For example, if we want to get random numbers between 1 to 10, so we type in equal sign, then Randbetween, and then put 1, 10. Then when you enter, you get a random number 4. So if you drag it down here, you get random numbers. So these numbers cannot exceed 10, or they cannot be less than 1. So because we have specified 1 to 10. So then in this other column here, that is column I want to generate a unique number using both the char function and the Randbetween function. So here I will input equal sign, so then rand, so I want to get about 9 digits, so Randbetween 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, comma, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So then close the bracket. So we shall get a unique number there. Then here we type, or we concatenate using ampersand and speech marks. Then we put the char function, so let me repeat that one again. So we have ampersand, speech marks, then ampersand, the char function, then we put the Randbetween function. So that is, copy that, then you put Randbetween 65 to 90, then close brackets again. So here we close the bracket. Then the same char function, we put it before the Randbetween function. So we copy that and we paste here, then ampersand, speech marks, ampersand, then control, enter. So then we have the unique number. So this number will keep on changing. So for example, if you try to change anything, so they will change and so on. So that is, the numbers are random. So to get the same random number, we can use the Visual Basic editor. So let us go to sheet 2 and we see how we can get the same numbers using the Visual Basic editor. So maybe I can move this one here. And all this number, so I can drag them here. And then I remove this. So then here we can have our unique number. So let us go to the VBE to generate the same numbers using the Visual Basic editor. So click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic, then insert module. So here we can call this subroutine. So sub unique number. Then here we declare two variables, that is dim ws as worksheet and comma a as long. Then set ws equal to sheet 2, because we want the numbers to appear here in sheet 2. So a is equal to, so a will start from b4 here, so therefore a is equal to 4. And then we use the do while event. So we type the do while statement here. So do while this column, that is starting from A4 going up to A13, it should not be empty. So therefore you type here that the cells in that column, so cells A, comma 1, so 1 is the column A, should not equal to empty. So the two symbols there means not equal to empty. Then here we shall put a loop, so therefore A should equal to A plus 1. Then here we say the cells that is starting from B4 to B13 is equal to, so cells A, so comma 2, now this is column B, is equal to, so we use square brackets because the char function and the Randbetween functions are not that is they are not the VBE functions, so they are worksheet functions. So therefore we can use the square brackets, or we can use the evaluate function or the application.worksheet function. So let me use the square brackets. So here we type Randbetween So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So comma, so he put 9 there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Close the bracket. So then close with the square brackets. Then here we have the char function. So but before that we put the ampersand, speech marks, ampersand, char function. So between 65 to 90, close bracket. So then, so that is here instead of that, so we can put Randbetween. That is Randbetween. Uh, 65 to 90. So close the brackets. And then we copy the same. We copy this one and we put it before the Randbetween here, after the first square bracket, and then use the speech marks. So that is the ampersand, speech marks, ampersand, and I think that is complete. So now if we press the, so this green button here, we press F5, so the numbers are supposed to appear here in that is from B2, B4 to B13. So let us press that. So you can press this. So there is a variable not defined here, so that is sheet 2. It should be sheet 2. So we stop that and then we run again, and those are the numbers there. So you can also put a small button here. So we can insert a button. So we go to the insert tab, then shapes. So pick any of the shape here, then draw the button here. So on the borders of the button there, right click and then select assign macro. So our macro was unique number, so select unique, then OK. Then once I click on any other part of the sheet, so the button becomes active. So when I press this button here, so the unique numbers will appear here. So let me press the button, so that way. And that is how we generate unique or pin number. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my video.